how to create your own Telegram stickers. So if you want to create your own Telegram stickers, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with search, which is on the upper side, and then search for stickers. Once you search for stickers, now here you will get the stickers page, right? So what you need to do is simply go with start, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Tap on start and you'll get this kind of interface. And once you get this kind of interface, you just need to simply enter / new emoji pack, and then you will get new set of custom emoji. Like if you want to create emoji, then you can create your custom emoji or your custom stickers, anything. So you just need to simply give a name to your emoji or your stickers, and after that, when you're ready to upload, you need to tell the name of your set. So for example, I've chosen cat, and after that it will ask you to send a custom emoji or the custom stickers image, and that image should be in exactly 100 into 100 pixels, and it should be in a format of PNG or WEBP. So you just need to simply send the image, and it says you need to send that as a file and not as a photo. And once you've sent that photo, now you need to send a replacement emoji that corresponds to your custom emoji. And after that, you'll get a congratulations text. And when you're done, you need to simply send /publish command. And after that, you will have your custom stickers or your custom emoji. And if you get this kind of interface, you can just simply go with /skip to skip the step, and it will ask you to provide a short name for your emoji or for your sticker. So simply enter a short name, and once you enter a short name, that's it. You've published your sticker or your emoji set. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.